Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unblock a person on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you are seeing the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with three lines in the upper right. Then tap on the settings option. Tap on the privacy option. Scroll down and tap on blocked accounts under the connections option. Here you can see the accounts you have blocked. To unblock this account, tap on the unblock button. Thus, the process of unblocking a person on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.